Time for a quick junkyard run. No shit. Found a Chrysler hood broth that is in pretty okay shape. It's these side pieces are all ripped, but the actual hood bra itself needs cleaned, but everything is there, so I'm gonna grab it. So this was the reason I wanted to stop here, was because there was a 2012 Caliber out here. But as you can see, the reason I wanted to stop for the door panels is these are padded, but the fronts are junk because those got ripped, and I don't think it's worth wasting my time to try to pull the rears. But I mean, all this is a little foam pad, so I don't even know if it's worth swapping. I was just curious. Airbag's a little bit different, but and then I already have the center console swapped. But yeah, both front door panels are trashed. And like I said, all the difference is you get this little pad, which I don't really think it's worth grabbing now that I'm looking at it. But we'll see if there's anything else cool around here. Flashlight gone. Of course the flashlight's gone. Got a old Dodge Dart here. It's probably someone's parts car that they, once they took what they needed, they probably just tossed the rest of it here. Sundance. Someone put some, those I don't think those were factory. Ooh. Then again, it does have this. It does have this little wraparound spoiler on it. But it's just the 2.0, so, or the 2.2, I mean. Yeah, someone definitely added that on afterwards, off of like another one, because there's random screws in it. Yeah, this was definitely taken off of another one. I don't know if I should grab that wing or not. I don't have any use for it, but it does kind of look cool. Well, just a little engine fire. This is the first Kia Soul I've ever seen in a junkyard. What's left of it. Still has the engine. That's a flood car. Yeah, that's definitely a flood. All right, so all I grabbed was that little hood protector. Just didn't really want to leave empty-handed. But now I know I don't really want to swap door panels on the Caliber. They didn't have any front bumpers for the Caliber that I need because mine's all cracked and smashed a little bit. And see how that looks when we get back to the house. So, cleaned it up a little bit with some of this. And I'm gonna fit it on the carbon hood real quick just to get a look at it, but I think it's gonna end up there, kind of protecting the spare hood. Yeah, so this is a little faded a little bit. I'm sure if I got some like actual leather conditioner, I could bring it back a little bit. But it'd be nice to have if, you know, I want to take a road trip somewhere, to protect the gel coat on the carbon hood a little bit. But I'm going to take a picture of it. It's not strapped on or anything like that, but I'm just kind of curious. It's somewhat decent. But I'm going to go hang it up now. Alright, so that'll stay there for the time being. And hopefully you guys like this little junkyard trip Didn't find what I was looking for, but maybe I will next time. So, like and subscribe. Till next time.